Beyond Cool is back, and today we're going to do my favorite blueberry protein shake. It is delicious, it's very nutritious, and also the items that I'll be using are considered natural Viagra, which you can find on Google. And once again, please remember to hear more great hacks and great recipes to subscribe. So any blender will work. Let's, of course, dump in 1 cup of the star ingredient of our amazing blueberries. You can use frozen blueberries. This is something really cool. This is optional. Celery. And celery has supposedly amazing health benefits, and also has characteristics of natural Viagra. Another one for natural Viagra is walnuts, and I like to add walnuts to my shakes. It's an awesome protein. I do roughly 3 heaping tablespoons. Whatever you have will work. And then I like to utilize organic almond milk. I go for 2 cups. I don't like my shakes too thick. If you like it thicker, of course, you can do less. So let's put that in. Plus you make extra for the day. We're almost done. So the main 3 ingredients of this protein shake are the walnuts, the blueberries, and of course the organic almond milk. But let's jazz this up. I have a plant-based vegan protein powder. It's chocolate. I just love chocolate. So technically this is vegan. And then I like to sprinkle a little bit of paprika, another cool thing that you can Google about being a natural Viagra. And this is really optional. This is my heritage behind me. I like a little bit of dark maple syrup. So that's optional. The other ingredients you should always have in your kitchen. Of course, any type of milk, almonds or walnuts. In this case it was walnuts. And of course blueberries. Frozen is also fine. And we're done. It's that simple. Like, you can't go, you can throw things, other things in here if you want, but this is my go-to. It's super quick, it's refreshing, and let's get this thing blended. So good news, this is a very quick and easy protein shake, less than 2 minutes in the kitchen. Let's just go over the basics. 1 cup of blueberries, 2 cups of almond milk, 3 tablespoons of walnuts. Some people like to use water instead. Sure, go for it. And then I threw in more protein. There's protein in the walnuts. And the protein that I use is a chocolate protein powder that's vegan. And then I did throw in optional paprika and optional maple syrup. So let's get this bad boy going. So here we go. So to me, that's done. But again, some people like it finer. So then you just pulse it a little bit. And that engine, listen to that horsepower. So let's pour this baby and then let's enjoy it.